So guys, welcome to the live stream. As you are watching here, I am also here, and the topic is that to cover $2,000, but I will try to minimize it because as the previous live stream, I got like too much profit in the beginning, in the starting time, but after that I don't know what happened in the streaming. It was on the market, everything was going continuously in the losses. So we have to try today, and let's see. I will start from the thousand. It says at its high. I hope today will be successful, and today will be like profits instead of the losses. But I did one mistake, like continuous. I just make the huge amount yesterday on like 3,000, 2,000, 4,000. So today, think about the money, and we will invest here like maximum. I will invest here 1,000. Twenty seconds. Now I am just waiting a downward movement. A hammer Japanese candlestick will form. You can see here in the down in the bottom, a hammer Japanese candlestick is formed, and after that the graph was continuous moving to the upward. Same here, a little bit downward form here, and after that continuous to the upward. And this is also looking like that it will move to the upside after a movement, but I'm just assuring that the next one or two Japanese candlesticks will move to the upward or not, as they are trying to move to the upward but they are not moving actually upward. So we have to wait for a moment. Let's do one thing. I am making 3-minute duration. Mhm. It is still moving to the downward. Instead of this, it has to move to the upward. But it's okay. We can check the another composite index. Oh, this is the crypto already. This is the crypto, and let's check the another one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a hammer is formed finally here. Let's see what will happen. We can check the another composite indexes. I make there 1000. Asia was moving a little time before. See here guys. Yes, we can start from the 300, but let's see. I make the 1000 investment and let's see what will happen now. I will show you like one best thing which I also noticed. You can see when you will see this type of hammer Japanese candlestick in the like bottom side, when the flow was going to the down and suddenly it came to the upward, you can see it is forming in the downward bottom level, and after that it's just increasing upside. Same things. Now it is not looking like a hammer structure, but let's see in the crypto composite index. Crypto composite index, see here. Here also a Japanese candlestick in the hammer structure. After that it went to the upward, then downward. Here you can see again a hammer Japanese candlestick. After that again moving to the upward, now to the downward, and now I am just waiting it will be like correct or not, because I saw this Japanese candlestick which is also look like exactly as a hammer, but I have to wait here because this was not formed in the center, so just waiting. But we have like still time of 1 minute 30 seconds remaining, and still it's profitable. I hope this will surely profitable, so let's wait and we can check till another come. Oh wow, we miss again Europe. It was moving. See guys, here a inverted hammer is formed, but after that it suddenly continuous increasing to the upward, and here a piercing Japanese candlestick forming. I think I can make here in the upward. Oh, in the last seconds it came to the downward side, like on the neutral line, not too much upward, not too much downward, but it's really going. Still we have to wait for the 45 seconds. We can check the another composite index. See, it went to the upward, but now it's coming to trying to go back to the downside, but I can invest here again a upward. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 15 seconds remaining guys, and it is like moving both sides. Came in the loss, now only 7 seconds remaining, and I think this is going to be loss. Profit 3, 2, 1. So first profitable amount came in the profit. You can see it's really on the baseline moving like upward downward. 3 minutes it was continuous moving to the upward. If I invest here 3000, then gives like 3000, but it's okay. This one for the 2 minute also moving to the upward trend, because here you can see a Japanese candlestick hammer structure form, but I'm investing like 1000, that's why it will take time to recover all the losses. But if we got like continuous in the profitable amount like this, then surely we can easily within like 10 trades we can recover the huge amount. So it is like this one is going to be like 1000% profitable amount, because this is very far from our trade line, moving too much upward, and I miss that I just only invest here 1000. If like from the continuous 2 trades we got like profitable, if I invest here 3000, then like 6000 in the profitable amount, but it's okay. Because I know one thing, if I invest now 3000, then I will get the loss. It happen. I think when you also invest like huge amount, it comes like loss. When you invest only a small amount, then it gives the profit. Well, it continues increasing pretty well, and I hope it will continuous increasing to the upward. I am thinking to make one another trade in the upward direction. let's take a risk. 10, 11. Guys, there is like one mistake when I just click the another amount of the 500. It was also moved like on the instant, same time, same duration when it was moving too much upward. So let's wait for the how much time? Oh, 2 minutes we have to wait, and 1500 we invested, but still we are in the profitable because I invested in the starting 2000 and got the profit of the 930, 910, like 1840 dirham already profitable. Let's see this will move to the upward or downward, but we can check the another assessed and they are also trying to move in the upward direction. Well, pretty cool. We can invest here again. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 40 seconds remaining there on the Asia Composite Index. 500 came, both came in the profitable amount. One I invested here. Now let's focus on the Asia Composite Index because two profitable amounts are invested there and it came on the profitable, just only 20 seconds remaining. Well, that's pretty cool. It has to be just move in the upward movement when our trade is going to be finished, because you can see three profitable trades can be like lose or can be profit. We have to just be patient. Only 4 seconds. So did you see? Again 1,000 loss just because of the remaining some movement of the term. It was going pretty well in the upward direction, but finally it came in the downward direction. So it's okay. We will continue to recover it. Now depends only this one. It's pretty well moving to the upward. Still 1 minute is left here. Oh, it's suddenly falling, moving to the downside, to the upside. So finally change the direction. In the beginning, yesterday was also like beginning was profitable amount, but here I invested 1,000 and after that 500 2 times, like winning amount is going to be lost here now. So neutral amount for today. It's okay. Still we have the time is 20 seconds, so maybe hope is best, and you can see it came in the profit in the end of the 2 seconds. But how much time it will be remain to the upward or downward? 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is pretty well in the profitable amount, and here it is still moving to the upward. We can make another trade in the upward direction with the 1 minute duration I will make today. Let's see the profit in the 55 seconds. What do you think, guys? You can write in the comment. This is going to profit or loss, because the Japanese candlestick forming near to the baseline of the trading, but as according to the previous history, it's just moving continuous in the upward direction. So I think I can make the another profit here with the 500. It will take time to get like $2,000. It means like 6,000, 7,000. But it will also okay. We have 2 hours, so we can like invest small amounts, and after that we can in 2 hours so easily can recover. So this is also like profitable, and that's really pretty cool. I invest here just for 1 minute duration and got the 500 in the profitable amount. Only 10 seconds remaining, and I don't think that it will goes too much downward. Let's make one trade in the upward again with the 1 minute duration. Profit. So guys, here like let's count like 2000 and this 500, 3000, 3500 and 1500 in the loss. It's okay, we have still the time. Guys, if I invest here like 2000, 5000, continuous I got the two profitable amounts, then it will be like great recovery, fastly recovery, great. But here the direction is going to be changed. Yes, now the direction is going to be changed. Only 13 seconds we have to wait, 30 seconds. Well, just don't go back to the downside, but I think it will move to the downside because already it was moving upward, continuous upward. Then just one Japanese candlestick came to the downside and only 14 seconds are remaining. Let's see, we will get the result in 5 4 3 2, and it came in the downward finally. Now it will go back again to the upward. Let's wait a moment. 7 6 2 1. So a doji spin candlestick form here, and now it will try to go back to the downside. I hope successfully. Let's check the another composite indexes. Asia is no, but as I told you, Asia added. If you remember one thing, 90% I noticed this. It also formed like a little downward, here downward, and it went upward. Then a moment it came downside and inverted hammer, like we can also say shooting star candle, form in the top or in the bottom side, and after that for like 2 minutes it went to the upward. It will like depend on the time. For 1 or 2 minutes it surely go, as I notice here. Sometimes it also gives the losses, but like hope is always best. At least we have to try here. So crypto came finally to the downside. Here also in the downside forming, after that 2 minutes went to the upward. I think this is really best. What about the Europe? Europe is not pretty well right now. So for a moment we can forget about the Europe, just focus on our gold is also not good, guys. So it came finally in the upward again. 20 seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, let's take another risky trade. Oh, it already went too much upward. Guys, also one thing is that when you will see this type of like a spin candlestick in the downward direction, then after that it will continuous move to the upward, and the same thing is happening here. Maybe now it can turn back to the downside, but it still have the hope that it will continuous move to the upward like the previous one. I think the market is going just to upward because if we check the today's history, I make all the trades in the profitable in the upward direction, and in the upward direction I got like one, two, three, 4 times profit and 3 times loss. So still in the profitable amount, everything is fine. 25 seconds is still remaining. So Asia Composite Index now turning back to the downside, but in the end moment it will turn back to the upside. So let's make one trade. It's good that we didn't make the upward because now it will move to the downside. Yes, but for how much time? Maybe it will move to the downside for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let's make a trade for the 500. It formed in the downside, so it will surely go back to the upside after a moment. One minute 13 seconds left on the crypto composite index. Well, from the last 2-3 days, I am using this too much. Like this assessed, I am using crypto composite index, which I never use in the starting times, and I always not feel like good here to make on the crypto composite index. But nowadays, I really like it because it giving just direct two directions like upward continuous and downward continuous. Only two things are happening here. Well, Europe came finally in the upward direction. Well, here also a inverted hammer form, but we have the time is still 3 minutes. Okay, so let's wait for the 3 minutes. So one 500 came in the profit, another has to be wait. So guys, approx like 1 minute 30 seconds remaining and both are in the profitable amount and it's trying to go back again to the upward. Let's see like for how much time it will remain in the upward direction. 1 minute left only. 50 seconds remaining. So it form in the downward and it will try to reach to the upward. A spin candlestick form here. 23 seconds are remaining. 20 seconds for the above one. Let's see where it will move finally. Like one profit, one loss is also okay. Like a neutral amount and we get the experience of the making 2 times trade. Next time we will like focus on that so we can avoid the silly mistakes. Only 2 and 1. 1 is lost just because of the 2 seconds. Did you see like it was went to the upward but when it turned back to the downside, and now only 15 seconds remaining and it is still moving to the downside instead of the going to the upward. So 2 trades which looks like that going to be profitable, they turn back to the downside and got the losses, and here now it will try to reach to the upward after the movement. So let's check the another one. So it's a composite index. Seven, 6, 5, 4, and now I think a down trade will start to form here. Let's wait. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. like still 50% chances, 40% as the profitable success rate, and total profits we make like in this 500 voting the losses, but instead of this is starting 1000 gives the starting beginning profitable, and I change the amount now. I am also investing again with the 1000. It doesn't matter, it will gives the loss or profit, but I hope that this 1000 will gives again the profit. So time is also coming to take a break. Well guys, one mistake happened here. As I told you, when this Japanese candlestick formed here, after that it just continues moving to the downside. Like on the upper side, one inverted hammer is formed, and after that it changes the direction. It continues moving to the downside, even the Japanese candlestick following the direction of the momentum lines. Momentum line, yellow one is also looks like that in the upward direction. But finally it came to the downside, and the graph is also downside. Let's see for how much time it will move to the downside. See, after just click it went to the downside. Now just waiting for the upside. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think if this 1000 will gives the loss, then we can make one down trade of the 1000 dirham. So like one profit, one neutral, and it will comes again on the same side. Well, here it's turned back to the upside. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This candle finish, a new candle form, and let's see where it will move, like to the upward or downside. Well, I think it's trying to go back to the upside now. The time is came to moving in the upward direction. But it is not a hammer structure here. 17 seconds remaining, and this will not looks like that it will cover the distance in the 17 seconds to the upward. It didn't cover the distance. 25 seconds remaining now. Seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Well, this is not a hammer structure, but it also turn back to the like upside. So now it can turn back to the downside. We can make an invest here in the upward one trade now. So Europe Composite Index, I hope this time, this every time this hoping like maybe it will reach again to the upward direction. Continuous because a Japanese candlestick is still moving in the upward direction. And the duration is for the 2 minute 1000 dirham in the investment. But here it changed the direction, right? For the 10 seconds it's just moving to the downside. But it will come back again to the upward. 40 seconds. 40 seconds here and how much there? Still 1 minute is left. Well, this is still moving to the downside very well. 15 seconds, 48 seconds, 11 seconds. Well, crypto is not good right now. Let's check the Apple. Apple is also not good. It's also like bad. Europe USD. Where is the Europe USD? It's here. 82% is the profitable rate and it's just moving downward right now here. Well, this is also good that it's moving to the downside. Well, 20 seconds remaining and it's like in the profitable amount if it doesn't move to the upward. 15 seconds, 14, 10. Oh, now it's turning back again to the upside, right? 9 seconds. Not profit. Guys, let's take a break. Like when there is continuous losses, after that there is no move to make the trades because from this week I don't know what is going on the system. It's just giving the losses and losses. Maybe the time is not perfect to make at this time. In the beginning, before starting, like at the duration instantly when I start to make the trades in the beginning amount, it gave the profits, but after that again it changed the amounts. See here, I make here like oh, I make also here Europe like upward and it now change the direction to the downside. It's okay. Let's take a break and then we will come back again. Guys, see you after 10 minutes. So guys, the break is over. Let's take a relax and let's continue again. So I'm using the 4 Japanese candlesticks are here on the crypto, Europe, USD. Well, I just uploaded it here, but I didn't use it. Now here the trend on the Europe USD going to be downward, but it is very small Japanese candlesticks are forming here. But the momentum lines are in the upward. We can make one trade here. Okay, let's make and let's see what will happen after a movement in the upward or downward. Wow, gold one is going pretty well to the upward. 15, 14, 13. Let's see this trade for the 4-minute duration. 4 minutes are enough. I think it will come back again to the upward direction after the 4 minutes, and it is trying to move to the upward right now, but it will take time. Let's make one 4 minute and the another one is for the 3 minute. 2 minutes, 3 minutes remaining. Seconds. Well, let's move in the upward and it cover the distance of the previous Japanese candlestick, which was form a very bigger size as compared to the other ones. So here like 3 trades form, and for the 35 seconds remaining, still it's trying to move in the upward direction, and this will be good if it didn't come back to the downside. So here, like if we got the 3 profitable trades after the 20 seconds, and now it's changing the direction, quickly moving to the downside. That's really interesting that it is moving very fastly. Only 15 seconds remaining. Rohit Mupadiwar, please tell the name of the trades. Well guys, when you will see and when you will look there, only 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2. One loss just because of the 1 second again. Why it's happening by just 1 second? See, I make the trade here instantly on this duration, and it turned back to again in the back side, like in the upward direction, but just because of the 1 second delay it gives the loss. So I still 2 minutes have, and these 500 are giving the, wait a second, now it's changing the direction again. Well, it turned back to the upside. 1 minute left. Again it changed the direction. "52 seconds remaining." This is the gold assist which I am using here, Rohit Mupadiwal. But let's check the another composite index. Maybe they will are giving the another in the successful trade in the upward direction or downward. As we can see here, it is also forming to the upside right now, and crypto is moving Crypto is not going pretty well, but it's trying to move to the downside still. This one also changed the direction. So on the gold, like three trades I done of the like 500, 500, 500. But the third is already for 1 minute. One profit here, one loss, and this is also going to be profit because mm, I make the duration 4 minutes and 3 minutes here. After that, a suddenly change in the upward movement and it gives the two profitable trades. But I also make for 1 minute duration. If I make it for the like 2 minute, 3 minute, then this one which gives the loss, it will also come in the profitable amount. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, now the times came good, and for 4 minute duration they are giving the profits. Let's check the another assessed. Well, here it's turning back again to the downside, right? If we focus on the graph, it went upward, now it's trying to go back to the downside after the peak level. Here also it's moving to the downside now. And momentum lines are indicating the direction in the upward movement for a movement, but also the blue line is trying to go back to the downside. Let's make another trade with the not 1 minute, 2, 3, 4 minute duration. We can make one another trade. Let's check this one. 500 invested here, and it is pretty well moving right now in the upward direction, but the time duration is like 4 minutes. So we have to wait for the 4 minutes for getting this result in the favorable condition. If everything will be like perfect and it just move continuous in the upward direction. Crypto is moving still downward, so let's do one thing. 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Well, still we have like 3 minutes. 2 minutes 15 seconds is still remaining and still has the hope that it can turn back again to the upside. So let's wait until the time of the duration will not finish. Already 2. ACS edits, bro, don't see comment section for this live consultation. Yes, you are right. The like when just silence is more better to reply, but I just like enjoy to talk, as you wrote in the comment chat. So only 1 minute 30 seconds remaining and pretty well moving in the upward direction. Hopefully it will also gives the profitable amount here now. Lines are moving downward and it is moving upward, and for how much time it will move to the upward, we have to wait only that moment. But we can make like one trade in the downward direction for a movement or the 4 minutes. The previous Europe USD came in the profitable amount right now, and that was giving only how much, 82%. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's moving in the upward right now. Only 20 seconds remaining from the last 4 minutes. And gold, let's check the gold one. Right now gold trying to move to the downside, but we check the history and they are moving one, and it's also a profit. Now the pattern is not coming good, everything is like irregularly forming here. And I am also feeling a little bit tiredness and sleepy. How much time we have remaining? 20. Like 30 minutes is still remaining. Fifteen seconds remaining, 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check this one spin. Momentum is forming there. 4 minutes we make the trade on the crypto composite index. Luthaf Ali, hello brother, how are you? I'm fine, bro. You say, what about you? 3 minutes 40 seconds is still remaining and it is trying to go back upward, downward, both direction it is moving. But still, like, the chances is that it will turn back to the downside because a spin Japanese candlestick formed on the top in the bearish candlestick. In the red one, red is, we call it bearish. So now bearish time is came and bearish candles are forming. Our trade duration is also like for 4 minutes I make it and 3 minutes left now. So we need it for the 3 minutes that it will just move to the continuous downward instead of the upward. So it's turning back to the downside. Now it's just coming to the downside and we are getting the profit. The 8th profit we will get right now. One minute and 20 seconds remaining. I hope this will move to the upward direction for a moment. Only 1 minute left. The distance is very high. I think it will not coverable right now. But if this the next Japanese candlestick which is forming in the upward, if this will move in the upward direction for the last 3 minutes we have, then we will get also this a profitable amount. So let's wait for the time when it will come to the end. Only 40 seconds remaining now. Only just 35 seconds remaining. And here I hope that a spin candle form or a hammer form, so it will change the direction to the upward side. Only 20 seconds remaining and the upper one, the topest one is going to be profitable because there is no losses in there. But we have to think about it. Still we have the time 2 minutes 30 seconds. It has to be moved in the upward direction right now. Well, I think it's trying. It will move to the upward after a moment. We can make another trade here. Mhm. 4 minutes. Only 2 minutes left for the previous one. And 1 minute only 45 seconds remaining right now. 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 50 seconds, and only 50 seconds here. Just now it has to be moved in the upward, and we will get like continuous 3 profitable trades. That's really a greatest amount. It's trying to move to the upward, but still have with the time 40 seconds. And finally it is trying to go back upward, but now in the end time it turned back to the downside. Finally came 3 profitable trades continuous. "17 seconds, 10 seconds, and here 6. Guys, 2 are profitable, 1 is going to be loss, and already here like continuous profits. In the starting there was loss, but now they are coming in the profitable amounts. That's really cool. Still 2 becomes the profitable amount, so everything will be sorted out. And they are trying to move in the upward direction, so it's okay if it didn't move to the downside. Well, that completely changed, moving upward and then turn back to the downside. 3 seconds remaining for this, and now it's going to the downside. 1 minute left, and I hope this will also move to the upward direction after a moment. 47 seconds remaining. Six, five, four, three, two, one. So for the 10 minutes, this is pretty well moving in the upward without waiting of anyone. Like continuous, it was moving trending to the upward. But we came here on the gold one here. No, no, no. This is the Europe Composite Index. We came, we invest here, and I think now it will change the direction after a moment. As right now it changed the direction, moving to the downside right now. Before it was moving completely to the upward. But now the times came, and let's see one thing. 'Just move continuous, so the previous one will gives the profit also. Eighteen, 17, yes, both came in the profitable amount right now. Five, four, three, two, one. 1 minute 20 seconds remaining. It has to be moved in the upward direction, so we can get like both in the profitable amount. One is already in the profitable, but the another one, second one is looks like that it can turn back to the downside. 30 seconds, 50 seconds, and this is coming to downward direction instead of moving to the upward. 20 seconds, just move to the upward, as the previous time it was moving completely here, like it was moving completely to the upward, but here now it came in the parallel direction, and both are moving right now to the downward direction. Oh, both are came in the downward, and only 26 seconds left. Now it changed the direction to the downside. At least one will came in the profitable amount, so it will like neutralize with both the amounts here. 48 seconds remaining. Well, still we have the 2 minutes and I think it will move to the upward. So only 10 minutes left to finish the live stream, and it came in the upward as I told you in the beginning time. Like it is right now on the neutral line. Very neutral line. Only 1 minute 15 seconds remaining, and now it's turning back to the downside. But before this it was completely nice. 55 seconds, but it is not moving. 55 seconds there, and it is now coming to the downside. Well, there is a little difference on the here 49.8 seconds and here 42 seconds, 40 seconds, 39 seconds, 32 seconds, 15, 14, 13, 12, 8, 7. Well, the Japanese candlesticks are forming very smaller size, so it will not be a profit. Otherwise, if it's formed like in the upward direction, now it's moving to the upward when the profit amount is came to an end. It is trying to move to the upside. Crypto, where is our Asia? Asia, I forget about Asia. 91% is giving. Well, it is pretty well moving right now in the upside. Let's do one thing, guys. 10 minutes left, and I'm thinking to make the trade for the 10 minutes to the downward direction. Well, it's pretty well moving in the upward direction for a moment, but I hope in the continuous 10 minutes it will turn back to the downside by itself. 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just come to the downside right now. Twenty-four seconds remaining. Now it's turning back to the downside. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to everyone after these last three trades, in which two are looking like completely profitable amount, but one is going to be lost. It looks like that, but it is also coming to the profit. So continuous three trades are coming to an end. Well, we can do one thing until the time is like 5 minutes is still left. So we can make like one trade in the downward direction still right now. Already. Turning back, only to the right. So two trades are, the timing is 2 minutes 20 seconds, 2 minutes 50 seconds, and one is the highest, like 5 minutes is still remaining. So the next one I am thinking to make a trade to the downside with the duration of the 4 minutes or 3 minutes. This is the point, this is the question, by which duration I have to make there. Well, it's trying to move right now in the downward direction, in the upward direction, as it's looking dead right now. One minute 20 seconds remaining right now. Well, that's good right now, as it's trying to go back to the downside now, and both three trades coming to an end in the profitable amount. I think now the profitable success rate will also become increase. Yes, 22, now it's 27. So for this is still 3 minutes remaining, so it's fine. Two are completely profitable after like 1 minute. Now it doesn't look like that it is coming to the profitable, because it's still only 2, 3 becomes like profitable loss right now. Everything depends on the time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 10 seconds remaining there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 2 times remaining. So guys, we will see tomorrow and try to again tomorrow. For now it's okay, fine. Let's say goodbye. And I put like for 2 minutes in the upward direction right now. I hope this is going to be profitable amount after the 2 minutes. Well guys, bye for today, it's enough.